stuff for Daddy. How was baby doing? Yeah, stuff for Daddy. What have you been doing today? You've been playing all day. I thought so. What's that? Is that yours? Wow. I also want to have a ball like that. Yes. Wow. That's a nice blue ball. Did you miss Daddy today? You know what? I miss you. Have you missed her mama? No, I don't think so. Do you miss her mama? Mama, yes. I know, you love Mama, don't you? Yes, Mama's simply the best. Now where is he? You should call her to come play with you. Yes. Wow. Do you want to play with Daddy or Mama? Who? Mama. Oh, I thought with Daddy. Wow. You want to play with Daddy? Come on. You waiting for Mama? I thought so. Where's Mama? Where is she? Where's Mama? Wow. Wow. You're so happy girl, aren't you? So happy girl. Yes. I missed you today. I miss you every day. Yes. You're such a sweet girl. Yes. Such a sweet girl. Yes, yes you are, yes. And lots of energy, yes. Yes. That's a nice ball, yes. Such a sweet girl, you know that? Oh, yeah. Such a sweet girl. Yes. Wow. Wow. That's a sweet girl. Yes. Come on. That's nice. We are. That's a good cow. Yes. Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more of me. I'm Amber the Border Collie.